Chad Daybell's official mugshot in the Idaho Department of Corrections was released after he was convicted and sentenced to death for the murders of his wife and Lori Vallow's 2 children.
Now, his team is appealing this, but as Lori Vallow's trial approaches, could Arizona charges be filed against Daybell as well? True crime correspondent Brianna Whitney has more on what the Maricopa County attorney said today about that possibility.
Chad Daybell and Lori Vallow saga is extremely complicated. Multiple states, multiple deaths, attempted shootings on others, and extreme religious beliefs. Both Lori and Chad have now been convicted in the deaths of J.J. Vallow, Tylee Ryan, and Tammy Daybell in Idaho. But so far, only Lori Vallow is facing charges in Arizona. Now we know there's a possibility of that changing.
It was back in 2019 when Lori Vallow's 2 young kids, JJ and Tylee, went missing. And just a month later, Chad's wife, Tammy Daybell, mysteriously died. Idaho juries found both Lori and Chad responsible for those deaths. Vallow sentenced to life in prison and Daybell sentenced to death. But this summer, Lori Vallow is set to stand trial in Arizona for incidents that happened in Chandler before they moved to Idaho. She's facing conspiracy to commit murder against her 4th husband, Charles Vallow, who was shot and killed by Lori's brother, Alex Cox. She will also face charges for conspiracy to commit murder against her niece's ex-husband, Brandon Boudreaux, who was shot at by someone in a Jeep, believed to also have been Alex Cox. Cox died at the end of 2019. A medical examiner ruled he died of natural causes. Chandler detectives testified in Chad Daybell's recent capital trial, but he isn't facing charges in these 2 Chandler crimes as of now. Could that change? Maricopa County Attorney Rachel Mitchell says possibly.
If any additional information came out of that trial or any other additional information becomes available, absolutely they can submit it and we can reconsider it.
As of now, Lori Vallow's Arizona trial is set to start on August 1st, but the county attorney says she expects that to be continued, which means delayed due to the volume of evidence in this case. Reporting in the newsroom tonight, Brianna Whitney for Arizona's Family.